Yeah.
In this answer, you mentioned that Toastmasters runs many programs and events and all. So like, it would be great if you could run through the details of it, like, in detail, in depth, what are the programs, what are the events happening at Toastmasters?
Okay, so the main educational program I mentioned, the Pathways, which is the public speaking education program that everyone has to do. Apart from that, what Toastmasters does to encourage developing our skills is it holds contests, right? So there's again various hierarchy of contests. Firstly, at the club level, the contests held are international speech contest. So every year, Toastmasters International also holds a world championship of public speaking. They select one location globally, and they host the contest winners from each region on a global platform, and they contest that. So if you win the club level, you then move to the area level contest, you move to the division level contest, you move to district level contest, and then you proceed internationally. So there's that one option that this kind of the pinnacle of public speaking, so to say, the highest possible award you can get. Secondly, a very important component of developing public speaking skills is good evaluation. So we also have, in every meeting, whenever you give a speech, you also evaluate this. You also have someone else evaluate your speech in a separate time frame. And we also have evaluation contests. So we have evaluation contests, we have humorous speech giving contest, we have something called table topic contest. So table topic is impromptu speaking skills. So you are given a topic on the spot, and you
Extempore sort of.
not really. You're given 1 to 2 minutes, and you have to speak on the topic on the spot. Yeah, extempore only, but yeah. So you have humorous speech contest, you have evaluation contest, you have table topic contest, but those go till district itself. Only the international speech contest will take you on a global level, and yeah, these are the contests, and every year sort of you can also stand for district council elections. Those are opportunities available. So Toastmasters also holds district conferences where all the contest finalists are under one roof. They deliver their final speeches and whatnot, and the winners are declared. But also the district governing council is elected in these events. So there's a lot of networking opportunities. There's a lot of leadership involved in all of these events, and you grow also as a person when you take part in competitions, etc. So yeah.
Understood.